Take a few minutes to review important safety information found in the owner's manual. Remember to follow all warnings and wear appropriate safety gear. Before performing a software update, determine what revision of software you currently have. Go to the System menu and select Software Revision. The current system software revision will be displayed. Go to millerwelds.com to find the latest software revision available. If the software on the machine matches the website, you have the latest version. If not, download the software from the website and put it on a USB drive. Make sure to extract all the files onto the root directory of the USB drive. Do not place the files in a folder. Plug the USB drive into the user interface. Before updating the system software, it is recommended to save system settings to the USB drive. Go to the System menu, select USB Functions, select Write to USB, and select System Settings to save to the USB drive. To initiate the software update process, select Write to System, and then Update Firmware. Depending on your current system software revision, you may be prompted to cycle power. Turn the system power switch off. When the white power light turns off, the shutdown process is complete, and it is now safe to turn the power back on. Turning the power switch back on before the white light turns off could damage the system. When the system powers up, you will be prompted to update the firmware. Select Yes to continue the update process. It is important to leave the power turned on and the USB drive plugged in until the update is complete. The system will reboot multiple times and show multiple progress screens during the update process. The update is complete when the system displays the home screen. If the saved system settings are not automatically restored, you can manually load them at this time. Go to the System menu, select USB Functions, select Write to System, and select System Settings.